starting with some new sarees of new year. These all are Taparia Kota. Just see, these all are Kota material, Taparia Kota with hand block print. Sari number 1, very comfortable, 100% cotton material, very comfortable and soft. These sarees do not have any starch and do not have any blouse piece. If you require starch, I will make it, but these all are 100% cotton. Price is only 1350, 1350. Moving to the next one, another one. This is light pink color with self block print with both side border. Just have a look. This is the entire look of the sari. All are Kota material, pure cotton Kota. These all are called Taparia Kota. See, Palla part. You will get a self print in the body. Light pink color. It's very beautiful one and very comfortable. The main thing is very comfortable. Price is 1350. Moving to the next one, sari number 3. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. This is sari number 3. Sari number 3, it's a combination of Rama green with blue. Just see, যেরকম ভাবে আমরা সিল্কের শাড়ি করি, we have done all this sari on that particular way. See the block, see the integrity of the printing. Just see, this is the palla part. All are, this is all over body. You will get the same print. For booking, please take the screenshot. Booking number is 9330866384. Now this one is a sari with Patli Pallu concept. Unchi achal, just see, this is the palla part. This portion will come for the palla. This is the palla part. Now this is the front part. In the front you will get, I think in this sari you will get the texture of the sari very clearly. This is the texture of the sari. These all are 100% cotton Kota, Taparia Kota, as you know, and this will come in the pleats part. This blue portion will come in the pleats part. Again, this is the beginning of the sari. This is the beginning of the sari. For booking, please take the screenshot. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any query, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number, which is 9330866384. Moving to the next one. Another very sober looking sari. Just check. Price of all these saris are 1350. This is the palla part. This will come for the palla. See the body part. It's a combination of grey with mauve. Grey with mauve with floral kalamkari print. These sarees are very soft and comfortable, 100% cotton material. 1350 is the price. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. Shipping is free all over India. Now number, this is number, whatever may be the number, I will mention you. This is number 6. Red and black combination, entire saree. This portion for the entire body. See, this is the entire body. Border part, all are hand block print. All are hand block print. This is the palla part. Price remains same, 1350. 1350 will be the price for the sari. Now next one, this is number 7. Number 7, just check. This is the palla part. It will come in the palla with rose motif, flower motif with leaves, and the color combination is orange, rust with green. Rust with green, just check. This is another very pretty and eye soothing sari. All are Taparia Kota and the material is 100% cotton. Cotton sari, with a very comfortable, these all are very comfortable material. This is the palla body part. These sarees do not have any blouse piece, and the price is 1350. Now another one, just check, this portion will come for the palla. Requesting all of you to put some comments, how do you like the sarees, and share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is the entire look. Just check, this is the entire look of the saree. All over the body you will get this type of block print. I will show you the block. This is the entire look of the saree. It's a combination of maroon with yellow and green. It's very pretty one. Price is same, 1350. Booking number is 9330866384. Another one with a similar print, but the body part is same, but the border and the palla are different, and the color combination is also different. This is with rust and rama green. It's a combination of rust, rama green and black. But just check the sarees, these all looks like silk print. All are looking like printed silk. Just check. And the material is very comfortable for this summer. All are Taparia Kota, and these all are 100% cotton kota. This is the entire look of the saree. Moving to the next one. It's a saree with all over jal print. This portion will come for the palla. Booking number is 9330866384. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Please share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is the entire look. Just see. একদম সিল্কের মতো দেখতে লাগছে. Just look like a printed silk. These all are very pretty, and moreover it is very comfortable material. Those who have to wear the sarees for daily use, these are very comfortable for them. Moving to the next one, similar print, only the color combination is different. It is maroon, but not reddish maroon, it is wineish maroon. It's a combination of wine and maroon color. Just see, this is the entire look of the saree. Another very pretty and comfortable saree. Price remains same, 1350. 1350 is the price, and the material is 100% cotton kota. This is the entire look. Moving to the next one. This is a geometrical saree. Another beautiful, very smart looking saree actually. Just see, this is the border part. It will come for the border. It will be the body part. It's a combination of brown with rust. It's a combination of brown with rust, but it is orangish rust. Just have a look. Palla part. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Moving to the next one. It's a diagonal design. It's a diagonal design. Just check. This will come in the palla part. See the palla. I will show you the draping view so that it will be easier for you to understand. Just see. This is the look. This is the look of the saree. It's a diagonal design, palla part. It will go in this way. All the prints are very neatly done. These all are hand block print on Taparia Kota, and the material is 100% cotton. Moving to the next one. This is another one. Just check the color combination of the saree along with the print, block print. It's another very beautiful saree. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Booking number is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. This is the look of the saree, entire look of the saree. It's another very beautiful saree. This one is red but not blood red. It is something pinkish red with green combination. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any query, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my number. Moving to the next one. This is a saree with half and half concept. Half saree. This is the palla part. This portion will come in the palla. This is saree number 15, I think. So it will come in the palla. This is the half front part. It is another combination of blue with green. See the blocks. You just check the blocks. These all are very pretty, very pretty. Just see, this is the front part and the rest half is like this. This is the rest half. Price will remain same, 1350. Now the last one, number 16. Number 16, it's a combination of greyish blue with red. Palla part. This will come for the palla. It will be the body part with small butta with a very simple Ganga Jamuna border. You are getting a contrast border over here. We call it Ganga Jamuna because this is red color and this is greyish blue color. All over saree you are getting butta. Price will same, 1350. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. COD is available only within Kolkata. Booking number is 9330866384.